So here, let me pull my underdrawing out and I'll show you the way that I make these line drawings for the stencils. I'm doing a couple of things here. One thing is that I'm leaving all of the light shapes completely skin tone and I'm just outlining the transition from the shadow to the light. The second thing that I'm doing is I'm coming through and I'm using line to represent the flow of that area of the form in shadow, only on the shadow sides. So I go through and you can see like the bottom of this jaw has this type of a shape. The underside of the jaw has this type of a shape. When I'm looking at the cloak, I can see kind of where my folds are happening, where the lines are getting tighter together, and then where they're opening up. So this tells me that this shape is going back and this shape is coming forward. And I do this all the way through just on the shadow sides of the shape. And then I come through finally with my major separations and I boldly line those. So this is what a final line drawing for a stencil might look like for me as I prepare to stencil darker skin tones.